Two AI pricing stories broke in the same week, and the headlines got one of them backwards. Here's what actually happened, and why it means this channel's last unbuilt automation is finally worth building. July 24th, Anthropic launched Claude Opus 5. Headlines called it half the price. Check the real numbers. Opus 5 costs exactly what Opus 4.8 cost, $5 in, $25 out, per million tokens. The half-price claim compares it to Anthropic's own priciest model, Fable 5. Not a price cut. Same bill, smarter model. July 30th, OpenAI actually did cut prices. Their Luna tier, $1 down to 20 cents input, $6 down to $1.20 output. A real 80% cut. Mid-tier Terra dropped about 20%. Their top tier didn't move at all. Which brings us back to Job 5 from episode 1. The one I never actually built on screen. A Monday morning competitor digest. Every Monday at 8 a.m., it reads your competitors' blogs and feeds, summarizes what changed, and emails you a 2-minute digest before your coffee's done. This used to run about $25 a month. On this week's pricing, about 5. Honest corner. 1. Prices move monthly. Verify before you build. Don't trust a video from 6 months ago, including this one eventually. 2. This isn't a Claude versus OpenAI ranking. Different models fit different jobs. 3. Every number in this video is straight from each company's own published pricing page, linked below. No live benchmark, just public numbers. That's the real story behind this week's price headlines, and the 5th template, completing the full set from episode 1. All 5 free, link below. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. This is the Automation Desk. Tasks, not tokens.